Welcome. If you want to add a touch of fun and perfect timing to your Telegram channel, scheduling a sticker to send later is the way to go. Whether you're planning a birthday greeting, a campaign launch, or just want your audience to get a smile at the right moment, Telegram makes it easy. Here's how you can schedule a sticker to be sent on your Telegram channel, updated for 2025. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have access to the channel where you want to send your sticker. Next, head to your channel. At the bottom of the screen, look for the emoji icon. This is usually found near where you type your messages. Tap on the emoji icon to open the sticker panel. Now browse through your stickers and find the one you want to schedule. Here's the trick. Instead of just tapping the sticker, tap and hold on it for a couple of seconds. This will bring up a menu with more options. From the menu that appears, tap on Schedule. You'll then be prompted to select the date and time when you want your sticker to be sent. Scroll through the calendar and clock to pick the perfect moment. Once you've set your desired time, simply tap Send. That's it. Your sticker is now scheduled. Telegram will automatically deliver your sticker to the channel at the exact time you chose, so you don't have to worry about being online or remembering to send it manually. A quick note. You can only schedule stickers that you've already added to your collection. If you see a sticker you like in the trending section, make sure to add it first before trying to schedule it. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can schedule stickers on your Telegram channel and keep your audience engaged, even when you're away. Try it out today and see how scheduled stickers can make your channel more lively and interactive.